So I would like to welcome you again here today. And today we are going to learn about prepositional phrase and its subcategories. We all know that a prepositional phrase can be used as an adjective phrase, it can be an adverbial phrase, it can be a noun phrase. So let us see them in detail. It's a little technical and tricky and easy at the same time. So the first one is that a prepositional phrase can turn into an adjective phrase. Again, a prepositional phrase can turn into an adverbial phrase. And the third one, I'm keeping it blank because it's rare. I will talk about this later. So see first one, the adjective phrase, how prepositional phrase becomes an adjective phrase. So it says that when a prepositional phrase gives more information about noun, it becomes an adjective phrase. And an adverbial phrase uh, can modify a verb, it can modify an adjective, at the same time it can modify an adverb. So we'll see them. And the third one, a prepositional phrase can be used as a noun phrase, but the thing is, for a noun phrase, it becomes only subject. Subject is better to use. So see, we'll talk about them, consecutively, adjective phrase, adverbial phrase, or noun phrase. I have consecutive slides for them, and we will talk about their different uses. Okay, with some oval bubbles, let's see. So see the first one, adjective phrase. Okay, in the first example, see, in the morning. Okay, this is a common phrase. I have used common prepositional phrase. I have used in all the examples to make it clear how you will understand them and identify them. So see this phrase, prepositional phrase, in the morning, makes this noun specific. Okay, so it gives more information about this noun. Okay, sun. Which sun it's talking about? It's talking about the sun that rises in the morning. So in the morning is a prepositional phrase, but does the work of an adjective phrase. Again, the phrase C, for homeless people. For homeless people. For homeless people is a prepositional phrase, but it gives more information about education. I mean, modifying this word education. So for homeless people is, though a prepositional phrase, it behaves as an adjective phrase. And the third one, the sentence, what's your idea about democracy here? So, about democracy is a prepositional phrase which makes this word clear. Which idea we are talking about? We are talking about democracy. So, about democracy is a prepositional phrase, but it is used here as an adjective phrase. So, say in fourth example, we have a very simple sentence, give me the ring, and of gold is has made this ring specific. Okay, the golden ring or the ring made of gold. So of gold is a prepositional phrase but has been an adjective phrase. Now adverbial phrase, see. So adverbial phrases, we said that can modify basically verb. Adverbial phrase basically tries to modify a verb, but it has three different places where we can use it, an adverbial phrase. Okay, it's there's no reason to be scary about them. Let's see the examples. It will be clarified. Okay. See, the sun rises in the morning. We have the same phrase in the morning. Okay, this phrase in the morning modifies the verb rise. So this is an adverbial phrase. Here again, we have used the same adverbial phrase after adjective, but it modifies the verb definitely. Okay, it modifies the verb, but it is used after an adjective. Yet, this is an adverbial phrase. Again, in the third sentence, we have he gets up early in the morning. When does he get up? He gets up in the morning, but it's after early. Sorry, it's after early. So we said that a prepositional phrase we can use in three different places, and that prepositional phrases are considered to be adverbial phrases. Okay, so after verb, after adjective, and after adverb, we can use an adverbial phrase. Okay, now let's talk about the noun phrase. It's a little rare. We don't find these type of examples, and we personally even don't use them that much. So, three examples I have said, to clarify the idea that, say, number one, during the national anthem is the worst time to talk. We should not, we never do that. So, during the national anthem, this is a prepositional phrase. It starts with a preposition during, and this redundant phrase has become the subject of the verb. So this is a noun phrase, no doubt. Again, in sentence number 2, we have in the morning is impossible to be present for the program. Some cannot, right? So is a verb and in the morning has been the subject. So this is a prepositional phrase, but it behaves as a noun phrase. Again, in number 3 example, in front of the class is a shame to undergo punishment. Nobody wants this, nobody likes this. Okay, but the thing is, this in front of the class has been the subject as a prepositional phrase of this verb is. So this is a prepositional phrase and this is a noun phrase at the same time. Hope you understand it's been clear, right? So thank you very much to be here again.